Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Said I tester be kind. For how long there this our petrol price be politics, partisan politics. You know, what are the alternatives? They said the name in your friend. Be kakra, any kasi na kwesi so ye kakra. Alternatives na anything. Yet your mamunsuo ni others nyina yetotum from time to time. Market forces na determine most of prices or abonti ho. Mekai growing up no. You be read the budget but if we are contract on radio that was the time na kerosene milk ne kobi bo kako boy na ehihye budget tina ban and decide you better say if you acquire a beji say all those things we have moved on abeto petrol die so we feel say brasso see a big guys are partisan politics na increment neba petroleum area na ye dey because so far two parties major parties no be akwa bremu better solution bia am so better solution bia my it me who how Fred bet try say or the be so partisan politics or the huisia no the akosi here to the sense or see even taxi drivers cry we are now on the down came look times are changing onima he should advise them and who got to the taxi driver be that no be say say ana Uber and say ba could be crash as I become say young go say whatever the effect we a taxi driver when who say times a change ma apart from taxes no now Uber is coming into the system Yango has come into the system others may be coming no and ebenya sunsan so bi wo wadwuma na wo ye no so ana until you need to think outside the box says the first no na bia me nko amenya about 10 passengers with this competition no the effect on my humanity say again looking forward no ana aban gusu a oye railway ene Accra to Nsawam kwan eko Accra to Temakwan eko obisa won say ana ni sunsan so on madwuma ne sen so wan trase anwe anko kan na wadwen you say de bia na ofa nipa 50 in spite of this new a year competition e bani nyina no obekọ so anya that idea you may be getting it wrong it you say utu enkrofo no fo so nipa bi de no ti duase a or complaining to no fo say any or expecting more competition don't starting way the effect ebenya e wo no ankasa na adwuma so financial sector clean up is it not a fact say Bank of Ghana reports indicate say after the major clean up no banks no started a pursue positive yana it is a fact meaning say faso going forward no eba ewo clean up na ekosun compared to omo time yes enye den nipa ba ko mienu bi ebe lose omadwuma in the process of the clean up na so bi say ho say omo time na omo tra omadwuma ni gu completely obeda be sorry na adwuma wura na omo sorry ko not only and now workers no lose omo job but not depositors also lose omo sika nyina it is ene adwumafo no sempo mu nyina kwa na lose omo job and na depositors no sa kan sika and they are better off than say adwumafo no nyina be lose omo adwuma na depositors nyina sa lose omo sika but at least anya hwe kra no now depositors no and I say adwumafo no because adwuma no and run down completely no ebi retaining omo adwuma coming to petrol nankasa price formula no again it's also a fact sa ban buy and levies nene wo mu na yebeto ye no wa hwehwe abisu afiso however the major eye wo mu a determine say na kosi kan ne bo am ewa amanone
de na ban ye afiso
ne bo ewa amanone no se kosoro ana se bafoma ewo sunsuanso ewo se de ton no ewa ha no tini ya bisi ho say out there no etisɛn and again
na kwesi di kan say eto no
yes ehɔ na me bɛyi before we do to one so kra no ne bo no exchange rate no so ewo effect eno normally within aban utumi say obetumi a manage or exchange rate no so utumi managing year etumi hold price no amount say the na kwesi ken yes petrol no say gold ni sa nyama ni man no ko anye enough because all these years no ye too gold no ni ekoko ni ade ya ye hu say anye enough na nioma bi so ho mo a ye fa prekope etumi en resolve sebi onkoware oba and then ochine ya now expect and I say what expect say by next week also won na de man no matter what so ban impose of afura ne 9 months 7 months to 9 months there also unya this issue of forest sabano ye bitua na mo bi ma yetumi I export more na possibly ya cut down ye impulse no enye policy a etumi u make no a day na de beche na so abapa iti no bisa ho se anaban so ba power no na hihye oye ma etumi a strengthen ye currency no etesey ye bisa ho se ana planting for food and jobs for example air cost the effect and say yet your man na ye kra koko body ya.
What does it have to do with fuel?
Oh, forest in that make am. So why manage your economy ni na demand kase koko da o forest no so a. Depreciation no ekosoro. E ba ne say because I want the na bi da de kwakoto a very say fuel no from outside no. E won susan so direct. It is sabani to me too. For example, this year you can say CD to dollar no is about 5 something. Or the me use 5 CDs.
5.5.
Yeah, me de simple say 5 CDs and I say impose 6 CDs are. Sabani no there's a petrol outside so $6 are. It means you be here 6 CDs ne ye de akwakoto for the petrol. But sabani no am manage these things na make any economy ni ye. Na CD no depreciate equal about 10 cedis to $1. So who the effect no. It is just anamo aban you too no. Ana ebetumi a strengthen your currency nana. Then use the planting for food and jobs. Instead of say you be import body na ade no. See any aye to me dua wa ha mo a the pressure ana ke be da seed na ye dey cut crack body ne banche ne toothpick ne sa ne manoma ni nyina no. Esote one district, one factory air cost you. Anna also ana import substitution as na making. That is the direction I buying air train. I'm say these things no so no and so about overnight. Factories here yes no back going forward in no. Emu bi e be produce nyoma e be substitute and nyoma bi ananka ankane no ye dey ye kra. It's yet to me produce a lot of these things now. Pressure no e be come. And some of these factories no so no day export. So and more so export in addition to your traditional cocoa, gold, what have you no. Na bois your currency no. See to me strengthen your currency ya. And also benya positive insuranso price of fuel is. Then the tax element. It's about 40% thereabout. Near BCM say, Anna, you hear taxes na say in here. Opportunity cost. Anna, abano de tax na. Look, tax to ya de will be no money de. However, so to ya tax no, na unhu say, and your papa be a free tax no eba. Hallelujah. It is when utia tax. Na who so fast with bia na say o complain na wo complain because while ya etu bia meti opanya de kum de analogies mi ne eniamane ma bi while in the long term no ye hwe nim say yes production base ebe kosoro eniama bibiri aban anamo a wotutu a ekoso ni nyina no the bottom line say ye create more jobs no aban revenues are obenya from that sector no ebe kosoro na yenya nduru ho no de immediately no so no ye hia cash kakra ye de be den e be check ye how far eti you might think say that is the lazy man's approach but that is not say buy ye na buy no emfa hihye bi engu akwanu in the long term no e be increase your revenue base no dia e na okoso edane just taxes every day, then I will support the argument say that is a lazy man's approach. But so almost abano etu anamobi are going forward no a bit broaden the revenue base of Omana. That's a temporary tasa. It is say no mami akofu maba na komodeo. Now what who say o mami de aduane ayede asi jaso. While aduane ni nyame ye no na at least o ma biscuit ba ku bia we manage on that at least and that's what say we be by 30 minutes to an hour start there aduane papa ankasa beba so it has been a year experiences here yes so tax no see yiri nya free so a e ke bia ke yepe meanwhile eno so na ye hia nya dia ye mpondudu ba bebre ya ukọ bia obi apa kwan obi apa nsuo obi apa hospital obi apa bibia bi e wo ne mpeso aso. It for the time being now, abandon the share long-term solution. If she is sacrificing kakra by way of paying these taxes. Now, yet they are managing your economy now. Yeah, dear. Nelso, any that's all. Ya nyade sa near betna near visa. Oh, Roma to Petrumu, eti yenya who did it. Meanwhile, yahu did no soprano, unfa alternative. Bia my. See ya nyene say na mum kiye nyene say anka no na be boaye odi bibisa ba na say nyina ya dwondwe ho say oh bia wo alternative no better perhaps I will go with you na say one for alternative bia ma na dede ana say kasa keke na wo ka wo ho dia no mehwe me do kasa no etoto nhihye ya aban no dia to fom ho a na me hu say then it's better we go with aban nhihye. Look, this one district, one factory. Me no say.
I never petrol price about from.
No, Chairman, won't say the
meaning you're talking about strengthening the currency, import substitution, all of that.
Revenue base. So instead of buying, rely on this direct taxes on food and other. Say you have over these 200, 300, 400 companies. Apart from say taxing those companies no adwumafo a ye fa mu nyina so no so be atua eto so kakra so it ye revenue base no e na ye broaden no aba bia so ni ho mo a say revenue base no e so broaden na sra no obe keep the eye on just as we do now on that one item petrol now they about 40% tax as like 40% tax on just one commodity when options ewo. It is a bani to an mobia abroading options na yina yemfa ye hunshim. Na options no emeye many. It is said you yet TSCA, enipa for it hey. Said boy be bedaha, na say 20 cedis. Now so chama see in tria. On the average, you know, over expect say yen for will be able to have 5 cedis to raise that 20. However, the same 20 cedi bill no, a baby drew her nipa 30 had 10 will be able to say. On average, no, be able to 2. No, be a common wire then. I had a kakra. From that angle, I'm feel basse. A bay, I'm lazy. I'm finding sunshine in them from. I can say, the easiest way of raising revenue on the petroleum products. Until you be 40% I'm there to so, and now 50% I'm there to so, whatever I'm there to so. But, me broadening the base, no, me many pen be mechanical. Say, nipa be 20, cry now, instead of. Some year 10 out, no, so be able to 2, or 20 on that will be able to just 1. And that is the direction we are going now. I believe, say, far better option.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.